Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Instagram map. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, make sure that you have the updated Instagram app. All right. So go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store to check if there are available updates. Okay. Just type in Instagram. Now, if you can see an update button right here, just go ahead and tap on it and wait for it to load. Once that's done, open it up. Just go ahead over to the message icon or the DM icon. Just tap on it. Okay, as you can see here at the very top, besides your node, you can go ahead and tap on map. Okay, just tap on it. Now, as you can see here, it says join your friends on the map. Discover places and posts. See what's tagged nearby. No one can see your location until you share it with them. Shared locations appear in places like the map, feed, and chats. Share with people you trust. Change your setting at any time. Just tap on next. Now go ahead and tap on location services on your phone. Open up setting. Give the necessary permission. Okay. And here just go ahead and locate permissions. Now go ahead and find location. Tap on it. You can go ahead and allow only while using the app or ask every time right here. Okay. Now once that's done, just go back. Okay. And there you have it. Now when you go to the top right here, tap on it. It will say who can see your location. It could be your friends, close friends, only these friends, okay, or no one. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and choose my friends, share location, like so. And once that's done, you're good to go. There you have it. As you can see here I have my friend Agnes enabled her location as well in the map. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.